Welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Naples, one of the most iconic cities in southern Italy. We're going to see an incredible 18th century palazzo, one of the most impressive properties I've ever come across. Are you ready? Come with me. And here we are in front of the Palazzo Doria d'Angri. It is over 2,300 square meters and laid over 3 floors with a stunning terrace on the roof. Let's see it together. Even by walking up these stairs, you realize how important this property is. They're completely covered in Carrara marble. Centuries ago, imagine bringing over here all this marble all the way from Tuscany. I'm now right in front of the door of the first floor. Let's go inside. This is the entrance hall of the 1,150 square meters Piano Nobile. The whole concept of these spaces was to impress and astonish whoever was visiting them. They accomplished that by creating so many details and so many rooms. In fact, as we go along, you might realize it's easy to get lost. The best way to understand this property is to look at its shape. In fact, from the outside, it is shaped like a trapezoid, with 3 faces placed towards 3 different streets. One of them is the very well-known Specchi Napoli, and the 4th face is placed towards a square. Whereas on the inside part, there are 2 courtyards, one shaped like an hexagon and the other square-shaped. All of these openings guarantee so much light thanks to so many windows. The history of this property is so long that it would be reductive to summarize it in a few words. But one person I would like for sure to mention is Giovanni Carlo Doria, whose name is still attached to this property. He bought 2 palazzos and with the help of the famous architect Luigi Vanvitelli, who was the architect of the very well-known Reggia di Caserta, he joined these 2 palazzos, creating this breathtaking masterpiece. Now, let me show you one of the most impressive rooms I've ever seen. This is for sure the most impressive room. It is called the Gabinetto degli Specchi and it is full of light. Not only thanks to these stunning 3 huge chandeliers, but also thanks to the fact that in every face of the room is full of mirrors. These mirrors help bouncing off the light and creating this really bright space. This room is frescoed by Fedele Fischetti with these 10 meters high ceilings and all of these stuccos, frescoes and golden frames. All of this building took over 2 years to restore, something really impressive. Also, let me show you how these doors close, creating this optical effect. And to complete this spectacular room, it also has its own balcony, which is actually really iconic because from here, Garibaldi announced to the citizens of Naples the unification of Sicily and the southern regions to the rest of Italy. He spoke from here because it has such a dominant position on the square, and this flag is here to remember that day. And from this incredible mirror hall, we pass through 6 rooms that create this beautiful enfilade with the doors, and we get to the kitchen. Each room, if you notice, has its own stunning chandelier, perfectly preserved. In this room specifically, there is a statue of Garibaldi. Each room also has the original, fully restored terracotta floor. And in the end of the enfilade, we get to this breathtaking dining area. It is full of details that I don't even know what to say, starting from the terracotta floors, the antique doors, the paintings, the ceilings. There is really nothing else you could ask for. And before showing you the kitchen, let me show you the view on the famous street Specchi Napoli that splits Naples in two. And now let's see the kitchen. It is a professional kitchen, fully equipped, and even here there are stunning details like the marble floor, original tiles, and this incredible chandelier. This is perfect to host events like weddings, but also for business meetings. Now that we're done with the kitchen, let's see a few of the bedrooms. They are 6, and this is one of them. Of course, it has its ensuite bathroom, and it is full of vivid colors. And look at this one. It is even more spacious, with these beautiful, fully decorated vaulted ceilings, this marvelous chandelier, of course, the ensuite bathroom, and through these windows there are two little balconies. One of them has a view on Specchi Napoli. And now I will show you a third and last bedroom for today. It is pretty much as big as an apartment. In fact, there is the bedroom here, over there an ensuite bathroom, and through this door a TV room with another bathroom. The proportions are stunning, with these really high ceilings and very big windows that let so much light shine through. We're now done with the piano nobile of the Palazzo. I hope it left you as speechless as it left me. Then on the second floor there are some offices and an apartment. And on the third floor, there is a 350 square meters apartment, which has access to a stunning rooftop terrace. Let's go and see it together. And here we are on the rooftop terrace of the Palazzo. It is 350 square meters and it is fully restored, completely paved with antique, original terracotta tiles. On this terrace there are these beautiful sitting areas, perfect for the summertime to enjoy yourself with your friends and family. And from this incredible terrace, I would like to end today's property tour. But first, I would also like to sit down for a minute and appreciate the amount of work the owners put to restore this masterpiece. You don't get to see a property like this every day. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Ciao!